Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this smartphone. You need to start by opening settings and choosing password and security. Then click on Face over here and enter your current login method. Following that, choose continue over here and remember to keep your face in frame. Then select this switcher over here if you wish to switch on or off raise to wake feature, and when you're ready, save your face data by choosing done. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to by tapping on the proper switchers and click home button. Following that, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Oppo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!